In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple heat haze effect directly inside DaVinci Resolve using built-in effects. And you can do this in just a few clicks. Start by going to the Edit page. Open the Effects library in the top left. In the search bar, type Fast Noise, and drag the Fast Noise effect onto your clip. Once it's applied, select the clip and open the inspector in the top right. Under Open FX, you'll see Fast Noise. Start by changing the preset to Heat Haze. This gives you a good base to work from. Now, adjust the settings to refine the look. Increase the scale to make the distortion feel broader and more natural. Lower the HV ratio so the movement stretches more horizontally, which helps sell the heat shimmer effect. Increase the detail to add a bit more complexity to the distortion. Then reduce the contrast so the effect stays subtle and doesn't look harsh. At this point, you should have a clean heat haze effect that works well for hot environments, desert shots, or distant backgrounds. If it feels too strong, simply lower the effect's overall strength by tweaking the contrast or scale until it blends naturally into your shot. And that's it! A quick and easy heat haze effect using fast noise in DaVinci Resolve.